A stray dog needed all the help he could get after getting its head stuck in a metal tin. The pooch is clearly very agitated and doesn't allow anyone to approach him. The 4-year-old dog was found wandering aimlessly in front of a mosque. He would run away anytime a resident tried to get near, so they had to call the local rescue team. One of them is using a bolt cutter to tear the can and free the helpless pooch. One of them is holding him by his legs so that they don't hurt him in the process. Now that he can breathe freely, the dog feels much better. The dog was most likely searching for food. At last, he manages to set the dog free. The dog must be so grateful to these guys for saving his life. As soon as he's free, he runs away hurriedly. This other dog had spent 5 days with her head stuck in a water bottle. The female pooch has been spotted roaming around aimlessly around houses. The dog was so frightened, she kept running away as soon as someone tried approaching her. Neighbors had tried to set her free, but the dog made it impossible. So they called the rescue team to come and save the day. They had to throw a fishing net to capture the pooch. Now they're cutting her free from the bottle. The pooch made this rescue quite a difficult one. But now she's finally free. She must be very dehydrated, so they gave her water. Let's hope the doggo stays away from water bottles from now on.